The Diva Dryer and Devafuser is the ultimate combo your curls have been waiting for. This dryer and diffuser was specially designed for wavy, curly, and super curly hair. We are excited to share these amazing features. The Diva Dryer's ionic technology will give you softer, shinier, frizz-free curls. The innovative hand-shaped Devafuser delivers 360-degree airflow to completely dry your curls while enhancing them without roughing them up. The patented ergonomic design makes it easy to position at the root for lift, and it also helps speed up drying time. It's a game changer. The Devafuser's powerful 1600 watts gets the job done faster. There's a cool shot button for locking your style in place, and so many options and settings to customize your drying and fit your needs. With your fresh, beautiful curls, you'll be ready to take on the day. Switch to the Diva Dryer and Devafuser, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
The Tress press features ionic technology and titanium plates for frizz-free, smooth, shiny, straight styles. But it's also great for quick, easy curls and waves. Titanium technology seals the cuticle, resulting in smoother texture with plenty of shine and less frizz. The floating plates make it easy to stay in constant contact with the hair so you can straighten in one pass. And the rounded edges let you wrap the hair around the barrel for long-lasting curls and waves. And infrared technology heats the hair from the inside out, which helps maintain healthy locks. To straighten, always work in small 1 to 2 inch sections. Hold the iron horizontally and clamp hair at the root and slowly pull through to the ends, ever so slightly beveling toward the base. For curls, hold the iron vertically. Clamp hair midway through your section, then twist the iron away from your face and pull forward through the ends. The slower you pull, the greater the curl. It also has a digital temperature control which heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius, plus a 60-minute automatic safety shutoff. The Tress press straightens and curls. You're gonna love it.
It's a professional rotating curling iron that I invented and designed to make it easy for you to get gorgeous hair at home. The Beachwaver has a dual rotation technology. There's a left and a right button based on the side you're curling. There's a digital temperature clock on the Beachwaver. It heats up to a professional grade of 450 degrees. It also has a small custom designed clamp that actually holds the hair in on the bottom. The Beachwaver has R3070 speed rotation technology, which means you can select the speed of the rotation. So to start, if it's your first time or you have shorter hair, you're gonna hold the L down for 8 seconds. The digital temperature clock will flash low. And then it's going at the slower speed. Select L to curl my left side. See, I have a straight piece here. So you're gonna hold the Beachwaver upright with the clamp facing in or facing the mirror. Hold it up, take the hair, bring the hair over. The iron never moves, it's that easy. Then you're gonna clamp it at the bottom. I usually leave a little bit of hair out. And then I'm gonna press go. You control it, so it's only rotating when you press that go button. You can even tap it just a little bit. You hold it just for a couple seconds, 4, 5 seconds, and then you're gonna release the clamp, and then you're gonna slide it out, and you're gonna get a perfect wave.